In the previous video, we talked about one-to-one mapping between mainframe technologies and Java technologies. Now in this video we will talk about what all technologies comprises of UI development side part and what all things comprises in server side development part, and few other stuff like web services also we'll talk about. So if you see here in mainframe we have this CICS. Using this CICS, application developer, mainframe application developer, they develop screens for user. In distributed application, using these technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Angular or some other framework like EXT.js or some other framework, React.js, developer develops the web page, interactive web page and responsive web page using Bootstrap. So HTML is for putting the data, creating the static page. CSS is for style, making the web page look attractive, adding colors, buttons, style, basically adding style to the website, web pages. And JavaScript is used for interactive design, like when we press any button or when we click anything on the web page, it interacts with user. That kind of functionality is achieved using JavaScript. So if we know, if a person who is a mainframe developer, and if he try to learn these things, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular 6, jQuery, Ajax and few other stuff, font awesome, etc. If these things, any person who knows Java, any person who knows mainframe, learn these stuff where the mouse is hovering, HTML, these things, then he becomes UI developer. Now when the same guy, mainframe application developer, learns these things, core Java, advanced Java, you know, basically in any organization, if you know OOPS concept, if you know collections, generics, JDBC, your life is set actually, and Spring, core and MVC, and little bit of debugging is really required. If anybody knows these things, he can survive in any project in enterprise level, supporting enterprise level application. And by learning all these things, these HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, and here Java, Spring, one becomes full stack developer, means he knows end to end. Now where this come into picture, this web services, and what these web services are. Web services, in layman term, if I have to talk, then using web services, two different application talk with each other, even if they are written in two different languages. For example, one application is written in .NET and another application is written in Java, and if they want to share data between each other, among each other, then how they will communicate? So RESTful web services or SOAP UI provides a way to transfer data between two different applications. They send data and receive data in a form of JSON or XML. We'll see in detail, we'll learn in detail RESTful web services, and I will cover the theory, only theory of SOAP. I won't cover the practical of SOAP, but we will create a project on this RESTful web services. Similarly, from this video onwards, the next video will be fully practical using Eclipse IDE, and will develop a website, a full-fledged website, 3-tier application. It will be front end, server side, and database, and we will code the application from scratch. That is one of my target. Second target is that I also would like to prepare videos on advanced Java. So thank you all for watching.